going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Boost, GT500, coming at you with another video. Of course, as you can see, this video is a little different compared to every other video I've done. I'm just like everyone else around the world, stuck inside due to the coronavirus. The only thing I can say about that, guys, is, try to practice social distancing, stay inside. If you don't need to go outside, if you have to go outside, make sure you have the proper PPE on, like I do. If you don't have that, you can reach out to Glove Guy and Supply. They have masks, they have gloves, they can mail it, ship it, deliver it to you. And that's all I can say about that. But let's get back in this video, man. I want to thank Chuck over at C&D Auto Tech for reaching out to J2Fabrications. I just received their new billet lower intercooler for the 2007-2014 GT500 platform. They also have it for the 03 and 04 Terminator platform. I'm excited and waiting for about a few months, but let's get this out of the box. So guys, basically, this new lower intercooler is new to the market from J2Fabrications. The pricing for the intercooler is $1,100. Shipping wise, it takes roughly between 2 to 5 weeks, as per their website. It's made out of billet aluminum. So I know I'm going to get a lot of questions asking, how does this compare to the OEM lower intercooler? Get this out the way. It's nice. Very nice piece. Too bad you're not going to be able to see it once I put that new Whipple Gen 5 3.0 on top. So this, compared to the OEM as per J2Fabrication specs, I should be able to see 120% more water flow, about 26% more airflow. I also upgraded, as you can see here, with their flow mod feature, which I will get even more airflow, which is good for the IATs. And if you could do the same when you order through them, and if you order all together, it comes out to roughly $1,500. I will put all that information in the description, the link and where to order it. Definitely can't wait to see how this performs on the new setup. And I want to add something else too, because as the J2Fabrication fam, I've seen a lot of their posts on Facebook with this whole coronavirus. And I thought it was a joke, but I guess it's not. And I think it's pretty cool, man. But not only did I get the new billet intercooler, right? They also sent a little care package. I got a roll of toilet paper and some gummy bears. It's awesome, man. I love the guys over there at J2Fabrication. This is not the only piece that I have in my car. I'm also running their high performance alternator, which is great. Look at this, man. No better way to be stuck in the house doing a nice unboxing review of their brand new intercooler that's hit the market with a nice roll of toilet paper. I'm not going to argue about that, because as you can see, you can't get no toilet paper in these stores, at least where I'm at right now. But that's all I have to say about this, man. It's very light. Made in America. So definitely can't wait to see how it performs. Any questions, leave them in my comments below. Like I said, I'll put all the specs that I talked about on the description. Also, I want to add, as per J2Fabrication, to really maximize the performance of the intercooler, they really suggest running an ice tank with their EMP Stewart pump, which I will put in the video below. One thing I like about these guys is they do a lot of data, they do a lot of testing on all their products. And what they seen with the ice tank and the EMP pump with this intercooler, they see it up to like 26 gallons per minute. I'll post that YouTube video up, so that's very useful information. But I'm excited, man. I can't wait to get this installed in the car. But unfortunately, man, a lot of stuff is gonna be on hold. But definitely hit that like and subscribe if you like to see me do any more of these videos of me unboxing parts that I'll be installing in my own personal car. Shoot me a comment, man. Thanks a lot. Peace.